Before setting up quantitative trading, make sure that you have correctly bound the exchange API and transferred the trading funds to the spot trading account. The RoyalQ account needs to have a per-charge fuel fee greater than 2 USDT. If it is less than 10 USDT, you will be notified. Open the RoyalQ app, click Quantize to enter the quantization page. Choose the currency you want to open. Click on the transaction settings to enter the currency transaction settings page. Set strategy parameters, or you can click Get Suggested Strategy to get the platform's default recommended strategy. After setting the strategy parameters, click Confirm. After the transaction setting is completed, click Start in the lower right corner. Then click Confirm. In the upper right corner of Log and Transaction Record, you can view all the records of the robots performing operations for you. Click Pause to stop the current currency strategy operation. Click Sell to manually sell the currency.
RoyalQ